Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style and click on change wallpapers. Now you can select the picture from whichever gallery you only want to. It can be one from graphical, colors, wallpaper, wallpaper services. You can also download more wallpapers. Let me choose, for example, this one and then tap on next. Here you can see how it looks on both lock and home screen. Let me go back to this one. Here you can switch between lock and home screen. And if you want to apply it, just tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.